Hello students, welcome to my channel Concept Tech 2018. I am Dr. Sunanda Manke and this video is a part of the series on online electronics laboratory, and in this part we'll discuss the lab exercises on combinational circuits. This slide gives the list of all the experiments which will be performed in this part. We have half adder and full adder circuit, 2x4 decoder, 1x4 demultiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer, 8x3 encoder and BCD to 7 segment decoder. So you can see here all the major combinational circuits are covered in this part. Let's do the experiment on 4x1 multiplexer circuit. This is the trainer kit on which this experiment will be performed, and this is the general purpose kit on which this trainer kit is mounted. So DC supply from the kit will be connected to this trainer kit for operation of different ICs of the trainer kit. These are the input switches through which input will be applied to the trainer kit. Switches are having two position, high and low. So by changing the switch position, we can apply high input or low input to the given trainer kit. Let's see the details of this trainer kit. This trainer kit is having this 4x1 multiplexer. Then we have 1x4 demux IC here. Then we have 8x3 encoder IC here, and we have a BCD to 7 segment decoder here, and this is the LED driver. So all the outputs will be connected to this driver, and these LEDs are used to observe the output of all the given circuits. We'll start with 4x1 multiplexer IC. 4x1 multiplexer means we are having 4 inputs and 1 output, and select line selects which input will go to the output. So this is the truth table. When select lines are 0, 0, I0 will go to output. When it is 0, 1, I1 will go to output, 1, 0, I2 and 1, 1, I3. So basically the select lines decide which input will be transferred to the output side, and this is the part of the trainer kit which will be used for this experiment, 4x1 multiplexer. So we have 4 inputs here, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The output is pin number 16. Select lines are 13 and 14, and this is the enable pin of this IC. So enable pin will be made low for this IC to work. The inputs will be applied through switches here. Switches will also be connected to these two select lines. So when we change this value of the select line, one of the input is transferred to output as discussed, and this output is connected to LED driver. So output will be displayed on the LED and it will correspond to one of the inputs here. So change in one of the inputs will be reflected at the output based on the values of the selection line. Let's do this experiment. 4x1 multiplexer circuit. So we'll have 4 inputs, 2 selection lines and 1 output. Right? One output is connected to LED. Then 4 inputs are connected to switches as well as 2 selection lines are connected to switches. All the switches are at low position. You can observe, right? All the inputs are at low position. The selection lines are also at low position, and so output is low. 0, 0, first output is selected. See, it is responding to first switch. It's not responding to other switches because the selection line is 0, 0. Let us make selection line 0, 1. Right? These are the selection lines. Let's make it 0, 1 now. Now the output will be the second switch position. First is it is not responding. Second, yes, it is responding to second switch, right? On, off. Third switch, it is not responding. Let's make the selection line 1, 0. Now the output will respond to third switch. First, second switch, it's not responding. Third switch, yeah, it is responding to third switch. So third input is transferred to output. Selection lines 1, 1. Now it is responding to the fourth switch, right? So how this multiplexer circuit was, 4:1 multiplexer, that is one of the input is transferred to output depending on the value of the selection line. When selection lines are 0, 0, it is responding to first switch. 0, 1, it is responding to second switch. You can observe the switch position. 1, 0, it is responding to third switch, and 1, 1, it is responding to last switch. This is how 4x1 multiplexer works. I hope you have enjoyed this experiment and understood the working of the given IC. Thank you.